Hey guys, Brett Jackrell from MotoElectricVehicles.com here to review our 48-volt heater that we've been installing for years in all of our lineup of vehicles. Not only is the 48-volt heater the most powerful, but they're the most compact and easy to install, and they just make sense. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys on this tram. We've actually roof-mounted this heater. It's a 48-volt heater. It blows a lot of air. The way it works is it's sucking in wind from the back of it, and then it obviously pushes out the wind against three elements, almost like you would have in a toaster oven. Depending on some of our vehicles, some are like 17 feet long. We do recommend 2 of these. But for some like a 4-seater, 6-seater golf cart, this is a no-brainer if you're in the north, just to keep the windshield defrosted and keep the driver nice and warm. So if you're interested in the 48-volt heater, feel free to give us a call at 904-247-1818. Visit us online at MotoElectricVehicles.com, where you can see this heater and all of our 70+ accessories. But we'd love to help you out and build a quote for you, so give us a call or visit us on the website. Once again, www.MotoElectricVehicles.com.